If you're involved in a custody case involving a teenage child, what's the best schedule for maximizing your relationship with your teenager? That's the topic of today's video. Hi, I'm Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, and I've been practicing exclusively in the area of family law for over 20 years. When negotiating custody time, the old adage often says it's not the quantity of time, it's the quality. And I've said in previous videos that that's an abused term often used to convince a parent to accept a custody arrangement that minimizes their contact with their younger child. But the quality over quantity argument does apply when we're talking about a teenager, especially older ones. Because at that age, a parent is not competing for time with another parent, but rather with a three-way split between two parents and the growing personal agenda and schedule of your teenager. In that context, it's not just about how many distracted hours your child is physically with you, but mentally checked out, like when they're overtired and sleepy. You want those hours, those valuable hours, when your teenager can have meaningful time together with you that can create lifelong memories and life lessons. So today, we're focusing on creating an effective custody schedule for teenagers in the context of divorce, but also considering both the teenager's unique biological rhythms and the legal landscape of Texas. Numerous studies, including those published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine, highlight that teenagers have a delayed sleep phase. Their internal clocks don't signal for sleep until about 11 o'clock p.m., and they remain in a sleep state well into the morning. This understanding is crucial for planning custody schedules that align with the teenager's natural alert hours, which are mostly in the evening. Considering these rhythms for weekdays, a practical custody schedule could involve time from after school, say 4 o'clock p.m., till about 9 o'clock p.m. That aligns with their peak alertness and receptiveness. For weekends, longer periods like from Friday evening to Sunday morning allow for shared experiences during their more relaxed state. In Texas, the legal system acknowledges the unique position of teenagers in custody arrangements. As per the Texas Family Code, a child 12 years or older can have a say in their living arrangements, a factor judges often consider when making custody decisions. This legal standpoint necessitates that parents be flexible and adapt to an evolving and diverse need of a teenage child. This flexibility is vital. For instance, a teenager might suddenly decide to stay over at a friend's place after school, or prefer to spend more time with one parent during exam preparations. The slow pace of modifying court orders means that parents have to stay proactive and adapt to these changing preferences. During periods when you're not in physical custody, maintaining communication through text or calls can be helpful. Engage with your teenager late in the evening when their natural rhythms lead them to have more involved conversations. For example, a text around 9:30 asking about how their day went can open a dialogue that's more effective than calling them in the middle of the afternoon. To wrap up, aligning custody schedules with your teenager's circadian rhythms while staying legally flexible as per Texas guidelines can foster a more nurturing post-divorce environment. Remember, it's about adapting to their changing needs while respecting their biological patterns. At the Palmer Law Firm, we're committed to guiding you through the unique challenges of post-divorce parenting. If you have any questions or need more information, we're here to help. Thank you for joining us. My name is Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, where we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.